Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list, and there you're looking for Clubhouse app, or just click on search. Then here at Clubhouse, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage here. You come to storage, you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then you search here for Clubhouse. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.